I made a promise to myself 3 months ago that 2025 was going to be the year where I finally create a business that's going to bring me in over 3K per month. But there was just one challenge. I want to make money by helping people. And so the more people I help, the more money I make. Now, I've ended up creating an online business where I help people lose weight and find balance in their life so they can balance weight loss, social life, having fun, and not have to live in the gym or follow a strict diet so they can still enjoy their life while they're doing something good for themselves. I've lost a lot of weight myself. I lost 45 pounds at the age of 17. And the method that I use for that is exactly the one that I want to teach to people so they can do the exact same, get some great results, but still living their life and enjoying their life. Now, my business is centered around weight loss. And it is that because I've lost a lot of weight myself. I lost 45 pounds at the age of 17. And I want to help people reach the same results. But the thing that was different with my system is that I did it without having to compromise fun. I maintained my social life. I ate food that I enjoyed. I didn't have to follow a strict diet. And I only went to the gym 3 times a week. And that's exactly the thing that I believe that most people need as well. Nobody wants a strict diet, a personal trainer on their ass, and having to cut out your friends, cut out all of the food that you enjoy because you're trying to lose weight, because that's not sustainable. And sustainable weight loss is the base weight loss, because you need the weight to stay off after you've lost it. If you just continue with your same lifestyle, or you get so tired of the new lifestyle that you achieve when you're trying to lose weight that you fall back into your back old habits, then you're not gonna keep the weight off, and you're just gonna put it on again. And I feel like that's such a bad way to run business, and that's exactly what I don't want to do. And so that's exactly why my business is centered around weight loss, but also balance with weight loss. And that also means that the more results I get people, the more money I make, and the more people I help lose weight, the more money I make. And the way I've set up my business is I drive all my traffic through social media. I drive it through YouTube in videos like this, or on Instagram with the reels or posts or carousels, and also TikTok. And then I want people to get inside my free community. Inside my free community, there's a lot of great information on how you can balance out your weight loss with your personal life, how you're gonna lose weight, finding the balance that you need, and eating the things that you enjoy, and finding your own balance, because that's what it's all about. My balance, not your balance. And we all have to find our own individual balance. And so once people are inside my free community, I have a lot of course material, a lot of information that they can go through to really learn and to get closer to their goals. There's also a lot of like-minded individuals in the community, so people can get inside and meet others, connect with others that are on the same journey, maybe have the same issues as they do. And then I also have a personal offer. So if people see great results with the free community, or they want even more help with me or my system, then they're always welcome to reach out to me directly. And we have a I have a personal offer where I help people lose weight one on one. And so we put out a very personalized, eating plan. I don't want to call it a diet because it's not a diet, but also a workout plan, and how you can, I'm gonna give you the tips, give them the tips on how they can really achieve this balance of weight loss and also life, because it has to go hand in hand. And I really feel like this is a great business model, because it not only allows me to help people and to get close to people one on one, I help them drive results, but people also learn something along the way, because I feel like this system is something that people can use on later on in life as well. It's not something that that's limited to weight loss. It's the same exact thing with work, I feel like, or even if you're trying to create your own business. Of course, it's always great to grind out hard and to really, put all your energy into it. But if you're doing it so intensely for 3 months that you can't keep it up for the next 9 months of the year, then you're doing it wrong. Sorry to say. But you have to find a way to balance it out so you can, keep doing it year out, year in. That's the same with weight loss as it is with entrepreneurship or work. You know, you really have to find a balance that's gonna keep you or allow you to stay consistent. I hope you guys think this sounds interesting. I hope you like this business and want to follow along the journey. Maybe you also want to lose weight, then please reach out to me. I'll also leave a link in the description so you can go join the free community. You can Subscribe to this channel. There's going to be a lot of content coming very soon. You can go follow my Instagram. There's a lot of great content on there as well, if I have to say so myself. I'll also leave a link in the description if you want to create your own Skool community. The power of Skool is that you can learn people any single skill that you have. It doesn't have to be weight loss, but if you have a specific skill, you can teach it to people. So hit the link in the description if you want to do that. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe and let's rebuild together.